There's our first peanut butter and jelly sandwich on the new ROQ press. What's up, everybody? We're here at the shop today, and just wanted to show you guys our ROQ press. This thing can literally do just about anything. And so today, when Alexa said to me, "Hey, could you make me a sandwich?" I looked at her and I said, "You know what? Maybe I can." So what I'm gonna do is attempt to screen print a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on the ROQ automatic to prove that not only can this press print t-shirts hands down better than any press that I've ever worked on, it can also make you lunch. We've got everything we need. Let's get the press turned on. Turn everything. I'll show you guys this at a different time. Basically, run the air compressor, air dryer, and over here we have the power to the press. And once that kicks on, it's actually pneumatic, so it runs off of air, and that's also half electric. So that gets everything set up and going. Screen will load, and we'll get this thing started. I went ahead and actually, here it is. We got screen burned. We're gonna do peanut butter and jelly on the same screen because printing peanut butter or jelly, both super sticky, probably gonna get stuck to the back of another screen if we did a separate screen for the peanut butter and jelly. So we'll do them together. That way we won't have anything lifting up, picking up, getting stuck on the back of any other screens. We'll make a sandwich. All right, so if you can see here, we're doing peanut butter and jelly, same screen, but because the bread is taller than a normal t-shirt, we can make a few adjustments, and we're going to raise the off contact on both those spots. And back here in the back, we've got all the way maxed up. So we'll lock the press into place by pressing that, put the head down, and you can see now that we have got just enough off contact. And so from here, we're gonna lower our pressure because the screen itself is raised off. We don't want enough pressure to go through to break this. We just need to push the peanut butter and the jelly through. So with this, crank it all the way down, and we'll crank it back up. You wanna go past where you're going. That way when you set it, you just crank it right back to where you need it. We'll try it with 20, see what happens, because there's a lot of off contact. So we're not gonna have all the pressure that we normally would. All right, next is make sure that these are where they need to be. Right, one thing that's really helpful with the ROQ is the laser alignment. So what we can do is run a laser beam, and now every time we print, we know where to put the piece of bread. All right, so next step is going to be the peanut butter and the jelly. Now, before everyone goes down to the comment section saying, you can't eat off of this, like there's plastisol ink on there, there's water-based, there's other chemicals. This is just to test the concept. I'm not actually gonna eat the sandwiches. We just wanna see if we can, by using the tips and tricks learned from screen printing, create enough off contact to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. All right, and one other thing that we had to consider was the peanut butter. Now, peanut butter in general doesn't pour out the same way jelly does. It's more, you can compare it to a white plastisol ink. It's a lot thicker. So what we did do is go with a natural peanut butter, because when we stir that up, hopefully we can get it runny enough without having to add anything to it, and that'll help it flow right through the 110 mesh. Preferably like a really low mesh count of 80 or 60, something like that would be ideal. I don't have one of those screens sitting around. So we're working with what we have, and we're gonna get to mixing this up, and we'll run our first print and see how that goes. And as you can see, perfect. Make one quick adjustment. Here we're gonna move our squeegee angle all the way to 25. What this is doing is tipping the blade forward and allowing it to spread it rather than push it straight into the sandwich. Alright, we're printing a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Alright, so our first sandwich was somewhat of a success. We've got good coverage on the peanut butter. Jelly couldn't push through as well, but what we're gonna do, we'll open another piece of bread, try it again, see where that gets us. Now that got everything flowing nice in there, we should be good to go. We're not gonna run a ton of bread, just wanted to see that it works. And you know, here we are, making peanut butter and jelly on the ROQ Automatic. All right, so we've got our slices lined up. We've got plenty of peanut butter and jelly loaded in the screen, and now good to go. All right, and by not having the flood lift up, we're actually allowing the flood stroke to count as a print as well. We'll run this down one more time so we can clear the screen. All right, go up. Check it out. Bread is off cam, untacked is good. Release. There you have it. Peanut butter and jelly. It's a diet version because there's not much on there, but we could totally get more if we used a lower mesh screen and a higher density emulsion. All right, let's go give Alexa her sandwich. Oh, hey, look at you.
Is my sandwich ready?
I made you something. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas of what to print next, comment below, and we'll see you next time.